Adding a glitch effect in CapCut can give your videos a cool vibe. Here's how to do it. First, open your project in CapCut and import your video into the timeline. To import it, click on Import. Now, once you import it, drag the video to the timeline like this. Now, click on the Effects tab in the top menu to add the glitch effect. Here, click on it. Now look for the glitch category you'll find at the left hand side. Right here, click on it. You'll find various glitch effects here. Select the one that fits your style and drag it onto your video clip in the timeline like this. Here, adjust the duration of the effect by dragging its edges to match the part of the video where you want the glitch to appear. Now for more customization, click on the video on the timeline like this, click on it. And on the right hand side, adjust its opacity like this. Now preview your video to make sure it looks just right. Let me preview it. And here you go. The glitch effect has been added to your video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.